Welcome back to the channel. We're out here early morning. I wanted to talk about our little wood chip pile that turned into a permaculture guild. So we had dumped a large load of wood chips and kind of spread them out here, and you can see that these wood chips are basically gone. Once we get in there, there's about 6 inches of wood chips, maybe 4 inches left, but we've got good soil, we've got good moisture content down there, and the main focus of this little guild was this sacrificial willow tree here. We've got our cold hardy kiwis, and you can see where this cold hardy kiwi came up and had grabbed on to the willow tree. So this is the male, I believe, and this is the female. We're just trying to anchor this cold hardy kiwi female tree to get over to our sacrificial willow tree, which I don't think this willow tree will die at all, but we will have cold hardy kiwis hanging off the whole southern side of this willow tree, and that is why I call it the sacrificial tree, because it is going to give life to this vining tree that we had put in the ground right next to it. So just a quick overview, we've got a little bit of free lettuce, we've got a ton of our yarrow, good pollinator, good medicine plant. We've got our St. John's wort down here. This was a new little cluster I had started this year to allow it to kind of fill in this area because it's a good self-seeder. We've always got our strawberries for ground cover and moisture control. We've got our elderberries that suffered a little bit from all of those dang beetles. We've got some flowers coming off still. Here's a beetle inside the elderberry flower. We like to take these beetles and just smash them right on the leaves to leave the pheromones on the leaf so bugs know not to come back to this plant. So that is a nice big York elderberry, about 3 years old here, and it's really starting to produce for us. We've got all of this free lettuce, our marshmallow herb in here, got some random sunflowers. We've got our mugwort. This is another good cleansing plant. Will clean the worms out of your pigs or chickens. Very good for humans also. And last but not least, we've got some gooseberries. These gooseberries were very small when we put them in. We wanted to give some ground cover around this willow tree on the northern side here, and those gooseberries are very cold hardy. So that was a quick look at this little perennial permaculture guild here that we basically just formed with wood chips, and all of those wood chips created the life that we needed and all of the water retention to get all of these going. And all of these plants interact with each other and keep all of the moisture in the ground, and they provide shade for each other also. Those strawberries like a little bit of shade, which the elderberry provides, and our yarrow. And our yarrow provides a lot of beneficial insects to all of these plants to help with pollination and to help with pest protection also.